Hello, my name is Captain Wilson. Today we're going to be flying a Boeing 747 from Atlanta to Los Angeles. We're expecting a pretty smooth flight with temperatures in Los Angeles upon arrival, expected to be at a comfortable 93 degrees Fahrenheit. As a pilot, I have a grand multitude of responsibilities. Upon arriving at my plane, I must carefully and accurately perform pre-flight checks, analyze fuel levels, instruments, and switches, and efficiently coordinate with ground control before takeoff. Once airborne, I'm responsible for safely navigating the plane and correctly utilizing my knowledge of aeronautics to ensure that flights are as comfortable for passengers as possible. I must also continually coordinate with ground control and meteorologists to modify flight plans as necessary to keep flights as economic and safe as possible. In addition to these responsibilities, I'm also responsible for supervising flight attendants and any other flight crew that may be on board.